trace big and small letters and learn their sounds. Big A, small a, big A, small a, big A, small a. Sounds like ah, 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 A. Amargasaurus. I love Amargasaurus. It was a humongous dinosaur. Amargasaurus. Big B, small b. Big B, small b. Big B, small b. Sounds like ba, 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 ba. Ba, 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 ba. Ba, 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 ba. B. Butterfly. I love butterflies. They're just like flying flowers. Butterfly. Big C, small c. Big C, small c. Big C, small c. Sounds like ka, 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 ka.
C.
Coconuts. I love coconuts. They're so delicious. Coconut. Big D, small d. Big D, small d. Big D, small d. Sounds like da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. D. Dolphin. I love dolphins. They're so curious and playful. Dolphin. Big E, small e. Big E, small e. Big E, small e. Sounds like eh, 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 eh. Eh, 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 eh. Eh, 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 eh. E. Elephant. I love elephants. Their ears look like a fan. Elephant. Big F, small f. Big F, small f. Big F, small f. Sounds like F. Flamingo. I love flamingos. They turn pink from the plankton they eat. Flamingo. Big G, small g. Big G, small g. Big G, small g. Sounds like g, 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 g. G, 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 g. G. Goose. I love geese. They waddle around and honk. Goose. Big H, small h. Big H, small h. Big H, small h. Sounds like ha, 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 ha. H. Horse. I love horses. They're so fast and majestic. Horse. Big I, small I. Big I, small I. Big I, small I. I. Sounds like I, 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 I. Iguana. I love iguanas. They love to bask and sit in the sun. Iguana. Big J, small j. Big J, small j. Big J, small j. Sounds like j, 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 j. J, 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 j. Jellyfish. I love jellyfish. They come in so many colors, shapes, and sizes. Jellyfish. Big K, small k. Big K, small k. Big K, small k. Sounds like K. Kangaroo. I love kangaroos. They always hop around and box with each other. Kangaroo. Big L, small l. Big L, small l. Big L, small l. Sounds like la, 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 la. La, 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 la. L. Lobster. I love lobsters. Look at its giant pinchers. Lobster. Big M, small m. Big M, small m. Big M, small m. Sounds like M. Monkey. I love monkeys. They're so smart and they're great at climbing trees. Monkey. Big N, small n. Big N, small n. Big N, small n. Sounds like N. Nyala. I love nyalas. Look at their amazing spiral horns. Nyala. Big O, small o. Big O, small o. Big O, small o. Sounds like O. Ostrich. I love ostriches. They run very fast with their long, powerful legs. Ostrich. Big P, small p. Big P, small p. Big P, small p. Sounds like P. Penguin. I love penguins. They look like they're wearing a suit. Penguin. Big Q, small q. Big Q, small q. Big Q, small q. Sounds like qua, 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 qua. Qua, 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 qua. Q. Quetzal. They're so brilliantly green. Quetzal. Big R, small r. Big R, small r. Big R, small r. Sounds like R. Rooster. I love roosters. You can hear them go cock-a-doodle-doo very early in the morning. Rooster. Big S, small s. Big S, small s. Big S, small s. Sounds like S. Snail. I love snails. They leave a gooey trail wherever they go. Snail. Big T, small t. Big T, small t. Big T, small t. Sounds like T. Tarantula. I love tarantulas. They're very big and fuzzy spiders. Tarantula. Big U, small u. Big U, small u. Big U, small u. Sounds like uh. U. Uaru cichlid. I love uaru cichlids. They're such colorful and clever fish. Uaru cichlid. Big V, small v. Big V, small v. Big V, small v. Sounds like V. Vulture. I love vultures. Their bald head keeps them clean when they eat. Big W, small w. Big W, small w. Big W, small w. Sounds like wa. W. Weasel. I love weasels. They're so mischievous and silly. Weasel. Big X, small x. Big X, small x. Big X, small x. Sounds like X. Xanthus hummingbird. I love Xanthus hummingbirds. Their long beaks are like straws for sipping nectar. Xanthus hummingbird. Big Y, small y. Big Y, small y. Big Y, small y. Sounds like ya. Why? Yak. I love yaks. Their long, shaggy fur helps keep them warm. Yak. Big Z, small z. Big Z, small z. Big Z, small z. Sounds like z, 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 Z. Zebra. I love zebras. Their black and white stripes help repel bugs that might land on them. Zebra. Thanks for learning with me. See you next time.